Glitter Critters, it's Breland here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most awesome rainbow fluffy slime. So the first thing you're going to need is a half cup of just regular Elmer's school glue or any school glue. Just dump this into a bowl. I recommend that you grab a bowl from the Dollar Tree or some bowl that is possibly disposable because it's just easier. It's like lazy cleanup, you guys. So the next thing you need is a half cup of shaving cream. This is only if you want to make your slime fluffy. If you don't, you can just nix the shaving cream. You don't need it if you don't care for the fluff. It's still going to be an amazing slime. So the next thing I'm adding, just because I like it and to add a bit more fluff, is some of this foaming soap. Mine is from Bath & Body Works, but yours can be from anywhere as long as it's foamy. So the next thing I'm adding is a bit of baking soda. This also creates that explosion of bubbles in your slime. So it'll create a bit more fluffy texture. You don't need it. So this next thing I'm adding is something you have to put in your slime. Either this or borax will do, and this is contact solution. So once you add this slowly, a little at a time, you start to mix it, and all of a sudden you will see your slime begin to come to life. Now it's time to add your slime scent. So you can add strawberry or bubblegum, whatever you like. It's your choice. Now you can start playing in the slime with your hands. This is the really fun part. So just have lots of fun with it, sort of stretch it. If it's still too sticky for your hands, you can totally still add more contact solution to the slime in your hands directly. Without putting any coloring, I recommend you separate the slime into individual containers. I got these containers from the Dollar Tree, $1 for 10 of them. It was such a great deal. This is also a really easy way to give just enough slime to anyone as a gift, either for their birthday or for the holidays coming up. So now it's time to add your color. I know this can be a bit messy, so feel free to use gloves. I'm going to be adding the food coloring while they're still in the containers, and then I'm going to start mixing it with my hands. It can be a bit less messy if you were to add the food coloring just within the slime and fold it in, but hey, I don't care. I just want to get in there and have fun with it. So I'm just stretching the color into it. It's actually a fun process to watch the slime absorb the color. This can be so much fun, especially if you ask your friends to help you. It's not only fun, but it can definitely help fill some time if you're bored. So this is a great bored slime to make because there's so many fun colors you can make. And just remember, you can choose whichever colors you prefer. It's all your choice. So now I've got all of my slimes made. They're such beautiful neon rainbow colors, and I figured it would be fun to sort of play with them a bit by sticking my fingers into the piles of slime. This was so much fun. I just love the texture of it. It's such fun sensory play. So now I just rolled my slime into little hot dogs, it looks like. Then I put them together, and now I'm gonna like stretch it out to make that amazing rainbow stretchy effect. I just thought this was such a fun way to play with the slime, and it's also a great way to sort of swirl it together. Now, you don't want to just mix it together all at once. To create that gorgeous Instagram-worthy slime, I recommend taking your time. So another thing I completely forgot to mention was I separated the already colored slime into 2 batches. This way I can make glitter slime. Yay, I love glitter. Like this video if you love glitter like me. So I added a bunch of glitter, a whole bunch of, like I like to say, to each one of the colors, and I just mixed it up. I purchased this fine crystal diamond glitter from Wally World or Walmart. After mixing all of this beautiful and glitterful glitter into each one of the slimes, I laid them out just like I did before, and of course I had to create that cute little stretchy glitter slime appearance, and of course I swirled it together too. This is such Instagram-worthy slime. Of course I had to add some glitter stars as well as this giant glitter star here. And do you see the beautiful colors as I stretch it out? Oh my gosh. This slime is so incredibly fun to make. I was thinking how cool it would be to create some of your slime recipes. Do you have a slime recipe? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to see more on Glitter Forever 17. And feel free to click one of these videos you see right here to continue the glitterful fun. So I thank you for watching and have a glitterful day. I love you. Bye!